guys, Mason here and welcome to another video, and today you join me in Blackburn. First time in Blackburn, and today I am going on the one in the morning on a Saturday to Ribblehead because I want to go to the Viaduct. So let's go on this and then the train to Ribblehead. Now the only thing about this as well, it goes through Clitheroe and it goes towards Hellifield, so it doesn't go like towards Leeds, it goes to Clitheroe. Our train is going to be a class 156 as per usual, as it normally might be. At least not a 150. Anyway, let's wait for our train to come in. Okay, so we've swapped to a table seat because we found one so we can play some card games because it's an hour's ride on here down to Ribblehead. We're just pulling into Ramsgreave and Wiltshire now, the first stop from Blackburn. Now the train did start from Manchester Victoria this morning around 7 AM, so yeah, we got on obviously at Blackburn, but yeah, so we got a table. Okay, so we've just pulled into Clitheroe. Now we're going to go on the not used branch anymore. Well, I mean obviously it's used now, but now we get to go on the branch to Hellifield. So let's do that. Oh my god. That's mean. I was so close to winning and then he just took it. Oh my god. Okay, so we've arrived at Ribblehead station now, so all we're going to do is walk over to the viaduct and then I'm ending it. So, let's go. Okay, so we're just right next to Ribblehead Viaduct. Mad. Jay's got his drone. Well, we've seen. Oh. He's gonna fly it, and he's very kindly gonna send me the footage if he gets any. Because we went on side, and let's just say the footage didn't come out. So he's gonna get some, and I will tag him. Well, I can't tag him because he doesn't have YouTube, but I'll put his name down. So credit, thanks to you, Jay. So anyway, right, we're gonna watch some trains go past. We've seen two. We've seen a class 158. Well, no, two class 158s go through over. So yeah, I've got them on my camera. So if they're any good, I'll put them on the screen now. Blah blah blah. Done. There, done. Okay, right. Anyway, let's go watch some more trains go past. By the way, Jay has got a drone license, just to say. So he's got all the registrations and all that crap that you need for a drone license and whatever. So yeah, he's currently flying it. Oh, you can just see it up there. Right. Oh my god, that is so cool. So I thought I'd just give an update. I have done 0 videos and 70,000 photos. There's been like, I can't tell how many trains we went past. Probably like around 6, maybe more. We had one drag go past actually. It was just two class 66s paired up to each other, Freightliner I think they were, which was the most recent one that we've just seen, come from Ribblehead station going over the viaduct. I don't know when the next trains are because there's no service around here, so I can't check when the next approaching train is to Ribblehead or departing from Ribblehead. So I'll try my best to get at least one video. Let's go. Let's just go. Just on the walk back over to the Ribblehead, well, nearby to Ribblehead station, there is a pub. We just went there before, walked over. Now I need the toilet, so I'm walking back over. For it to be in here for like 4 or 5 hours, still got another 2, 3. So we arrived at 10 o'clock. We get the 6 o'clock train back down for Rochdale. We'll get off at Blackburn. Bloody hell, it's track. It's quite good though. It's quite good. Over there. Right. I did just leave Jay for a second. Hopefully he's fine on his own. I'm only just going to be quick anyway, so yeah. I'm currently sat on a rock, up some steps. Can I move? Can I move? Yeah. Cool. There we go. Love this viaduct. So our time has come up, well, our time has come to an end as we are going back to the train station now. As we finish in Ribblehead, I'm not going to show me going back down because I'm on a crappy 150, not a 156. And there's a train. Now I did just pause it there as I took a video of the train just going past then. I was meant to go up there in 8 minutes time. That's not my train, don't worry. I've got to go on the Rochdale branch again. That one was going to Leeds. I was meant to go up there to the station now to just get some photos of it going out, well, in and out, because it's a staggered platform. Thought it'd be nice, but I think it's been ruined by the train coming early. I think it's early. I'm not too sure. But yeah, I did just Jake did tell me to go ahead, go along, just so that I'm there on time. But seems to come early, so I'll wait for him now because I'm nice. Anyway, right, I will see you back at the station. So we are on the class 150 now. Unfortunately, it's not a 156. All the way to Blackburn. At least I'm not going Rochdale. This is where I end the video. I mean, it's not the best planned video, but I mean, I just wanted to film because it's Ribblehead Viaduct, for Christ's sake. Anyway, thank you for watching. Credit to Jay for all of his drone videos, which will be obviously shown down. Yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
The next station stop is Wally.
Oh, I got cramp in me. But yeah, 8 hours we've been here for, since 10 a.m. and it's 5 p.m. now. So we spent 5 hours, nearly 6. Wait, 10. No, sorry. I'm dumb.